In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to choose an available domain name when activating your Dropship website plan. Click on Dropship website. The first thing you want to do is click on the Activate Now button. You will be brought to this page and you can confirm with a payment. Then click on Next. If you already bought a domain name and own it, enter it, and tick the box to let the company know you bought it. Then the company will send instructions on how to point your domain name to the servers. However, if you do not own a domain name, search for an available domain name on GoDaddy.com, enter it, and the company will buy it for you. But do not tick the box. Let's say I want mine to be eBay. Now it will clearly state that eBay.com is taken. Down here are the alternate options. Instead of eBay.com, it will display the prices next to it. Let's say I want to search for a domain name that is not taken yet. As you see, online, ZZ, shop, ZZ.com is available, and it states the price. Now when you have chosen your domain name, the company will pay for it if it is within a certain price range, such as this one. The company will pay for the domain name within the range of below $12. The company will not pay for premium domain names. If you find a domain name that is premium, the company will not pay for that. They will only pay for domain names below $12. After you have completed the payment process, click on your active website plan. Click on Edit My Suppliers. Over here, it will show you how many suppliers you can add to your website. Now, you can only choose 3 suppliers. If you want to add more suppliers, you must pay $8.99 per supplier. Once you select your suppliers, all products from the suppliers will be added to your store. Your website will be ready within 1 business day. Here is an example of a product we made for a member. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.